I want to talk to you today about the different levels of assault and consequences in terms of the maximum penalties for each. So first of all, assault is defined as an intentional application of force on someone without their consent. For example, obviously, if you punch someone that they didn't agree to that punch, that's an assault. Now, simple assault is the lowest level of assault. It's got the least consequences. By the way, if it's elected by indictment, it has a maximum term in prison of 5 years for simple assault. And, simple assault can be as minor as merely just putting your hand on someone, frankly, and touching them if they didn't want that. Police might not charge you with that level of assault, but they could, I suppose. So, and it goes up to, where bodily injury is not caused. So that's a simple assault. Now, the next level is called assault bodily harm under section 267 of the Criminal Code. And this is where the injury that's caused, obviously some bodily harm's caused. What's the definition of bodily harm? Well, it's some injury that is not transient or trifling in nature and interferes with the health or bodily comfort of a person, basically. So, that can be pretty low level. Frankly, surprisingly, the case law, many judges describe mere bruising, even without pain, as being bodily harm. There's some cases that say not, but the trend is that. So, an example might be a broken nose. That's clearly bodily harm. And bruising seems to be clearly bodily harm in many courts' opinions across Canada. There's also assault with a weapon. Now, weapon can be defined as a household tool, anything. Obviously, there's obvious weapons like a knife or a baseball bat, but anything you pick up and use an extension of your hand can be a weapon. Assault bodily harm and assault with a weapon have a maximum term of 10 years in prison if elected by indictment. The Crown could elect summarily too, both for that and for a simple assault. Now, the most serious form of assault is aggravated assault, maximum 14-year term in prison. Very serious offense where you wound, maim, disfigure, or endanger the life of someone. An example might be hitting someone with a baseball bat and causing a brain injury, putting them in intensive care. Clearly, that's endangering life. Very serious crimes. You're facing lengthy periods of jail. So usually for assault bodily harm, assault with a weapon, obviously aggravated assault, you're usually facing jail terms. Maybe if it's just mere bruising, assault bodily harm, you might not. And on simple assault, unless you have a prior record for violent conduct, given the fact there's no injuries generally on those type of charges, or there are none, you would typically be able to avoid a jail term for a first-time offender. So that's the quick update or report on the different levels of assault that you could be facing if you assaulted someone in Canada. Thank you for watching our video. We are absolutely committed to bringing you the best possible criminal and DUI educational videos. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you've been charged with a criminal offense in Ontario and require our services, please click on the link in the description below.